Hello and welcome. Today we are gonna solve a CTF challenge. It's gonna be XSS. This is a real world CTF. It's not like a lab or an Bico CTF. It uses an admin bot that will view some URL, and yeah, that's basically it. So we know that this if there's admin viewing something, it's likely to be a blind XSS. Okay, let's take a look at the source code. We have two important files right here, the bot.js. This is the bot file. Okay, it takes a link like this, http/web, and the port is 3000. We have here the cookie. The admin bot has a cookie named flag, which has a value of the flag right here. But this is pretty basic stuff. Now this is the website. This is what it does. I have to go here and show you. You type anything, let's say test, for example, render. It previews it and it shows the HTML. The preview here is what we're gonna use. But what are we gonna do? Well, if you go here, we have some functions. We have the sanitize. This takes the input and replaces this character and this. It replaces all of the characters which are used to start like HTML tags like this, but okay, this is a problem for us. And we have this escape HTML function which takes this and turns it into this and this. Okay. What's interesting here is that we have an unescape HTML. Does the reverse of this. So I think we're gonna use this. I know we're gonna use this, but I'm gonna teach you how in a second. Okay. And it gets the escaped and unescaped and returns them. And if you go right here and the view page source, you see that in the preview it's equals to the unescaped, so you can preview it. Okay, so let's try a simple payload. We have a script alert 1. Let's render it. You'll see that it's previewed, but nothing is really done. And why is that? You'll see that this is done because it changes this character to this character. They might look the same, but they are not. It's a little bit different. Yeah, if you see here, this is the Unicode for it, FF1C, and this one, I don't know what the code for it is, but they are different, trust me. Okay, so since this might be a problem for us, we need to bypass this. But how? We need to send the payload without this. How can we do this? We can't. If you look here, we have an unescaped HTML. We can replace this with this and this with this. It would work, but we need to try it because okay, I'm gonna show you why this would work. Let's just change this. Oh, it's LT, sorry. This is GT. This is LT. This is GT. Okay, this is our payload right now. When we send it to the server, it will not see any of these tags right here. So it won't do anything with this. It's gonna escape it, and then if there's something to escape, it's gonna escape it, and then it will unescape it. So this should give us an alert, and it did not. Why did it not give us an alert? Okay, 1 second. Oh, it's because I forgot the semicolon, bro. Alright, I hated C++ because of this, and now it haunts me to this day. Okay, now nothing is viewed. Nothing, we can see nothing here. We have the script alert 1, but it didn't alert us with anything. Why did it not? Okay, let's test maybe XSS could work. Inspect this. I mean, we literally have the code right here. Oh yeah, because we're inside a B tag, so we can maybe close it, or we can just do some HTML injection instead. We can maybe like use an image. So we're gonna do this. This is gonna be our payload image. Source equals X. On error, do what? We need to alert. Wait, we can remove this, I think. On error, alert 1. And then we take this and turn it into lower than. Oh, sorry. Let's copy this right here and change this to G. This should work, I think. Yes, it did. It gave us an alert. This means we have an XSS right here. Okay, so now we can just like open a website like webhook. Okay, this is where I solved it. Then we're gonna take our link. Okay, we're gonna need to open like Notepad to make our payload. Let's make the font big. Okay, take this and instead of the alert one, we can do fetch and this URL, because it will ping or show something here if it fetches it, and then we will know that it works. Great, now let's take our payload. Okay, now we see this. Why is this? When you go to inspect this, you're gonna find that because of the fetch, it added an A tag which nullified our payload. I mean, it's a link right here, but we can't. I mean, it didn't bring us here because it didn't load it. So we're gonna have to use something other than fetch. What could we use? We can maybe like create a new image to get the source from this, or get the source from this. Maybe like on error, let's return the alert. Now we can maybe place the source in here. Let's take this. What does it do? Okay, so it still does the same thing. Okay, so since I think it detects the link, we can maybe try to do something like this plus this. Maybe it could work, who knows. Wait, oh sorry. And let's return. What have I done, bro? Let's make this okay, this is our payload. Now we can maybe add this and this plus this and this. Let's use this now. How does it do? Oh, so what happened right now? We have the source of the image to be this, and on error it should alert. Did something reach us? No, we got nothing. Why did we get nothing? Because oh yeah, because it's like, okay, so we need to include this in the JavaScript to concatenate strings. So maybe we can like change the source back to X, and on error, instead of alert, maybe we can like create a new image, which we can do by typing new image, and we can set the source like this to it. Okay, let's add https dot / plus add the string, which is our website or our webhook. I think this should work. Okay, we got a preview here. We got what? On error, it has these double quotes around it, so I probably have to like add these double quotes, but they will have to be escaped because Okay, let's add these double quotes, like right here and right here. I think this should work. I hope so. So how's our payload looking? New image source, which has the source. Okay, why isn't it like loading or something? It should be. Oh, we got a request right here. This is amazing. Now we know this works. So now we have to send our cookie with it. But how are we gonna do this? We're gonna go here and add to the URL a parameter like called maybe flag equals plus document dot cookie. This should send the cookie with us. Okay, let's now see it. Since I have no cookies, I don't have. Okay, so if we try to go here and set a cookie, oh, we have cookies, but it didn't like send it. Maybe they're only like they are HTTP only. I think we should like send this link to the admin now, so the admin can load this XSS for themselves and give us their cookie. Let's test it. Okay, now something returned, and we don't have the cookie. Okay, I think I figured out it was because if we go to the bot right here, bot.js, you see that we have to use like HTTP web and at port 3000. So we remove this and add the word web, so that the bot can visit it on its local host, not in the like online thing, because the domain for the cookie right here is the app host, which is web. Now let's report. Okay, I accidentally closed my webhook. Now we got the flag. Let's do it again so you can guys see it when the. Okay, and now we got the flag. I got this request, which we're gonna view right here. It's the website, our website. This is the flag. We now have the flag and we can submit it. I mean, we already did, but yeah, that's how you solve it. I hope you learned something new about XSS. These admin bot challenges are like super important because they show up a lot in CTFs, and yeah, to be good at them is essential, I think. Yeah, and also if you don't understand anything, you can ask me in the comments, or in the future, in the near future, I'm gonna make like tutorials about XSS, SQL injection, CSRF, and more. But yeah, until then, I'll see you guys.